Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to schedule a callback with Lendingclub support. If you'd rather not wait on hold, Lendingclub gives you the option to schedule a callback from a customer support representative. This feature is convenient when you need help with account issues, loan questions, or debit card concerns, but you prefer to receive a call at a time that works best for you. To use this option, log into the Lendingclub website or mobile app and then navigate to the Help or Contact Us section. If callback scheduling is available, then you're going to see an option like Request a Callback or Schedule a Call. You're going to be asked to provide your preferred phone number, select a time window, and then confirm the request. At the scheduled time, a Lendingclub representative will call you directly, saving you the hassle of waiting in a phone queue. Make sure that your phone is charged and available, as missed calls may require you to reschedule. This method works best for complex issues such as loan modifications, detailed transaction disputes, or account closures, where speaking to a live person is necessary. It balances convenience with personalized support. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.